Alright, so here is how to do um, this beam vibration analysis. This is going to be pretty scuffed because I kind of forgot how to do some of this stuff, but I'll try to do it the best I can, show you guys. Anyway, so first of all, click modal here, just drag it over, and then it'll create the standalone system, and it'll look just like this. For now, ignore the bottom two. We don't need to do anything about those now. Next, you'll see this engineering data. Go ahead and click on that. So you'll kind of be brought to this big menu thingy. So under here, ANSYS Granada. So click engineering data sources here on the top left, and then ANSYS Granada materials data for whatever this one. And then here's our aluminum 6061, which is what it tells us to use. Where does it say? Aluminum 6061. So just go ahead and click that. And then to get back out of that, just click engineering data sources again. It'll always have this structural steel on here. You could just delete it. And then it'll just be this, your structural steel. And you could click default solid material for model. I think that'll solve any of the material problems you may have. You might have to play around with it when we get to that part, but I'll try and remember. The only thing we do have to add is here, damping ratio. We put that at 5%. Everything else you don't have to touch. Yeah, just leave that. So you can go back to project now that we have our engineering data. And now we right click this geometry and click edit geometry and design modeler. That will bring us to this. So I kind of have it done already here. This part's the most confusing part to do. I have a video here. If this doesn't make sense for you guys, you can go ahead and watch this video here. This basically shows you exactly what to do step by step if this doesn't kind of help you much. The only thing you have to change is they use a circle and we got to use a square. But first we just do go to sketch, line, and then we make our, just from the origin here, whatever. Make our line 1 meter. To do that, you go to dimensions. You can use the general one or horizontal. It doesn't really matter. Just put 100 centimeters. And then units are here, top left, if you are in millimeters or whatever you want to switch. It's up there. But now we go back to sketching, or modeling, sorry. Here we do concepts, surfaces from sketches. Oh no, cross section, sorry. So cross section, click rectangular. It'll pop this thing up. Delete. So here's the rectangle. It's 10 by 20. I forgot which way I made it. Let me see, just so it's, you guys have the same thing that I have here. So ours is where was I? Oh, here, sorry. So ours was this way, I believe. So 20 by 10. I don't think it matters anyways. Um, yeah. Now we do concept lines from sketches. Um, and then it'll ask you to base objects, just click the line. Um, if you guys found that confusing, go ahead and look at this video. Kind of walks you through better. But now, if everything worked, we should have our line body. Sometimes you'll have to click generate or whatever. Um, yeah, and you'll have that. Next we go to model, I think. I forgot what you need to do here. Kind of trying to remember this on the fly. So it sometimes takes a while to start up. Um, so yeah, here you will have your, this is where you do your mesh. So under here, click insert, sizing, and then it'll be edge sizing. It'll ask you the number of divisions here. So here we have 5, 10, and 20 elements. So I'll just do the 5 here for you guys. So 5, you can go ahead and click generate. And then it'll show you. This is what it looks like. Then I'll go ahead and show you guys if we do 20. Go ahead and click generate again. There we have 20 meshes now. So of course we have the modal analysis here. So right click on here, insert fixed support, and we're going to put the fixed support right here on the end. Yeah. Now we'll go to solution, insert deformation, total deformation. I have it in here 5 times. I think it's because for each, you just want it 5 times. So for mode, whatever. Let's just click this solve. We'll see what it looks like. And then, so here's gonna be our frequency stuff. You only need 5 of these for each, so off the 10, 15, 1 or whatever. You only ever need 5 of these modes here, so the total deformation 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I think it just solves it 5 different times. I would just click the first one. So this would then be your screenshot here. Just click normal to z-axis. Sorry. So you can see it's moving. So this is for damped, I believe. So under here, when you want to do undamped, you go to analysis settings here, and you're going to click no for damped, and then you go back to solution, click solve again. Uh-oh. What do we got going on here? Oh, so here under max nodes to find, just set that at 5 as well. Um, I don't know why this is giving me problems. Um, yeah, so it should be around 80 hertz here. This will be different for everyone, so don't take my data as being the only correct thing. Um, I've seen anywhere from like 78 on this bottom one. This can go like 860 to 840. It depends really. Now we got to figure out why this damping wasn't working. So yes, we know that it's not damped, so it's not contributing. Um, okay, it's giving me the right solutions, but it's not giving me the graph. Oh, so now it works. Uh, yeah, so ANSYS can be quite finicky, as you could see. But the damping and undamped both have very, very similar solutions. They're very similar to each other. Um, so yeah, for this, all you have to submit, so you just go ahead and take a screenshot, something like this. Um, that's what I did. Um, yeah, and that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, just feel free to uh, reach out to me, and I could always help. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Again, this video here is pretty good if you do need more guidance on how to do the line body method that I did. There is another way to do it, which involves doing the beam in SolidWorks, but ANSYS doesn't really like that for some reason. I don't know why. I tried doing that last semester. I could never get it to work. This is the only way I could get it to work. But yeah, there's definitely other ways to do this. If you guys do figure out another way, it's probably right. But this is just the way I did it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.